Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a foreclosure with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. Start by gathering all relevant documents related to your foreclosure. This includes your original mortgage agreement, foreclosure notices, and any correspondence from Wells Fargo. Next, assess your current financial situation. Create a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and any outstanding debts. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, contact Wells Fargo. Reach out to their customer service or loss mitigation department directly. Prepare to explain your situation clearly and concisely. Discuss your desire to recover from the foreclosure. Inquire about potential options that may be available to you. These may include loan modification or repayment plans. If applicable, check for any available assistance programs. Wells Fargo often has resources for homeowners facing financial hardship. After understanding your options, gather the necessary documentation. This may include proof of income, tax returns, and bank statements. Submit all required documents to Wells Fargo promptly. Follow up regularly to ensure your application is being processed. During this time, consider consulting a housing counselor. A professional can provide additional guidance and support. Stay proactive in managing your finances during this period. Make timely bill payments to stabilize your credit. As your application is processed, be prepared for possible alternatives. This may include a short sale or deed in lieu of foreclosure. Once a resolution is reached, carefully review all terms. Understanding the agreement is crucial for your long-term recovery. Finally, take steps to rebuild your credit over time. Monitor your credit report and dispute any inaccuracies. Establish a positive payment history with other accounts. Stay informed about financial education resources available online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.